So, for example number 2 natin, transform the equation into quadratic equation. So again, sinabi ko kanina, yung mga problem natin dito is mga fraction siya. So first step again, cancel natin tong mga denominator. So, yung mga denominator natin is 2 and x minus 3. So para ma-cancel yan, multiply lang tayo ng 2 times x minus 3 both sides. Okay? X minus 3. So, multiply din tayo dito ng 2 times x minus 3. Okay? Again, ito yung LCD ng ating mga fraction. Yung mga rational expression natin. Okay? So, now, distribute natin again siya. 2 times x minus 3 times x over 2. So, makakancel yung 2. So, matitira is x minus 3 times x na lang. Okay? Plus, so, dito naman natin siya multiply. 2 times x minus 3 times 2 over x minus 3. So, yung makakancel naman dito is yung x minus 3 naman. Okay? So, matitira na lang is 2 times 2 na lang. Okay. Equals 1 half times 2 times x minus 3. So, cancel naman yung 2 dito. So, matitira is x minus 3 na lang. Okay? And then, simplify natin. So, distribute lang natin itong x. X times x, that is x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. Plus 2 times 2, that is 4. And then, x minus 3. Okay? Then, lipat lang natin itong x minus 3 dito sa kabila. That's 4. So, yung x, magiging negative siya. And then, yung negative 3, magiging positive 3. Equal to 0. Okay? So, nalipat na natin sila lahat dito sa left side. Then, simplify lang natin na combine like terms lang. So, copy lang sa x squared. Wala naman siyang kaparehas dito. Then, negative 3x minus x, negative 4x. Then, 4 plus 3, that is 7. Okay. So, na-transform na natin yung equation into quadratic equation. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay?